fractions. Yes, with algebraic. Yesterday, so far, we did was just the numbers. Now we will bring in alphabets, algebraic expressions. So the moment you read the word fractions, and if I have addition subtraction of fractions, compulsory LCD. This is the symbol I use it for fractions. So two fractions, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. If there is addition subtraction in between, compulsory LCD. If I don't take LCD, my answer or my first step or second step will never be right. Right? You're going to get zeros. All right. So first example, ready-made calculated. It's 2 divided by 3. X is written here in the center. Okay. If it is not in denominator, it is in numerator. All right. If it is not in denominator, it is numerator. It's not 2 over 3x, 2 over 3 and x. It is 2x over 3. Right. Okay. Plus 1 over 6 x minus 2 and 1 over 2. Right. So we have alphabets and we have numbers. Okay. If I look at the denominator is numbers only, isn't it? So my LCD will be number. Right. Later on, x will also come in LCD denominator. Right. But for now, let's read with number. Right. So I'm rewriting this one so that I can read it easily. So it's 2x over 3 plus 1x over 6 minus, tell me. 5 over 2. So it's 5 over 2. Can you see I kept the space in between here? Front, back. There's a space. Right? So don't write fractions altogether. Right? Because when we are going to take LCD, we are going to write a missing numbers there, isn't it? So I need a space for writing, especially you. Okay. So what is my LCD? Look at the denominators. 6. So LCD is 6. So the first place denominator, I have 3. What number should I multiply so that it becomes 6? 2. So times 2 times 2. Both the places, numerator and denominator. Second place, am I missing something? Right. 1, which is not needed. Right. And the last place, 3. Okay. So now everywhere 6 is arranged, so I can make it one fraction now. 6. All right. Okay. Then I'll go and do one by one every numerator. 4x plus 1x minus 15. Okay. Go ahead. The next step. So it is 5x minus 15 over 6. Next. 5 minus 15? They're not like terms. Okay. So if they're not like terms, we stop adding, subtracting. And this is my answer. Okay. Understood the method? Okay. Let me do one more example. Yeah. So what's the difference between A I wrote and now let me write B here. Okay. So what is it? It's x plus 1 over 5 minus x minus 3 over 2 minus 1 over 1. It was just 1, I wrote over 1 because the other two are fractions. Okay. So what is my LCD here? Okay. How is this question different from the previous question? Okay. So previous question was this. Okay. Previous question, we had only one term in numerator. Okay. Now we have two. One is with x and the other is the number. All right. It doesn't matter. My method, addition, subtraction, or fraction, starts with LCD. Okay. So what is my LCD now? What is my LCD? 2 and 5. LCD is 10. So the first place, what I'm missing? Times 2. Second place? And times 10 for the last question. Okay. So be careful here in writing now. Okay. So all the denominators are set 10. Okay. So now the reading part or understanding part. X plus 1 times 2. No. The way I read it, the same way I will write it. X plus 1 times 2. When I have more than one term, it's important to put it in bracket. And instead of writing times 2 at the back, I will write it in front. So it is easy for multiplication. Right? Then the second part. Minus sign is as it is. There's minus sign there. Right. So x minus 3 times 5. Okay. And the last one, number is fine. Minus 1 times 10, I can just write 10. Okay. Now numerator once again. Because there are brackets, I need to get rid of those brackets. 2x, one arrow, one multiplication. Another arrow, another multiplication, plus 2. Right. Most of the time, the mistake is here, this place. You will forget to multiply. Okay, you will multiply 2 and x, but you will forget to multiply 2 and 1. Be careful then. Eh? Okay. Then 5 and x, negative 5x. Okay, minus 5 times minus 3. Be careful then. Eh? Positive 15. And then minus 10, there is no multiplication. Right? Now numerator, once again, we combine the like terms. What are my like terms in numerator? 2x and minus 5x. So it's negative 3x. And what about the numbers? 2 plus 15. So it's 17. Minus 10. 7. Okay. Divide by 10. It was there. It will remain there. Okay. So this is my answer B. All right. So we're done with 2. Now you do practice 2. 2 of them. Work on 2 and show me your work.